Hey, what's up? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. Today it's another dyno on a 24 Mustang with a Whipple Stage 2 Supercharger. It's an automatic. It's laying down 790 rural horsepower. We are going to tell you how we got there. If you haven't, subscribe and notify save today. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, we're located in Indiana. If you wonder what's this cost to get installed, simply email quote@brentspeed.com and open that description. I'll put links to this kit. Now, this isn't just your standard Stage 2 Whipple kit. I want to make that clear up front. I'm going to tell you how we got to that 790. And at the end of this video, I'm going to put a link to a bunch of other 24 Mustang Whipple dynos where you can see them completely stock with headers, without headers, pulley swaps, Boostane. You'll see numbers like before and after. But this video today is on the Stage 2. We had it painted red to match the car. I think it looks fabulous. On the Stage 2 kit, you get the 112 throttle body. Of course, they all get the nice air induction system. What else did we do to this car? So they come with a 375 pulley. We are going to show you the numbers on that, but we did drop it to 3.6. So we went down a little bit on the pulley size. Kooks long tube headers as well, and a carbon fiber drive shaft. All those items help bring the numbers up higher than if you just put the Stage 2 kit on your stock automatic 24 Mustang. Check out this dyno pull. All right, we're gonna go over the mods again and look at these numbers. And just again, remember, link to videos at the end so you can see power numbers on the Stage 1, Stage 2, stock cars, auto manuals with different mods running 93 in Boostane today. Brings out to about 100 octane. Allows it to run a little bit more timing, equals more power. Kooks long tubes, carbon fiber drive shaft. Now, the blower kit with the Whipple cowl out of the box with those mods was 751 at 7,800. Torque comes in 555 at 5400, DynoJet SAE, and then we switched to the 3.625 pulley. Power went up a little more than I expected, 793 at 7800, torque 578 at 5600. Graphs smooth, awesome across the board. So a great setup. So if you have a stock 24, 25 Mustang auto manual, looking to get up in that 700 plus rural horsepower, these are great mods to do it. Or also, you want to be in the upper 600, you can get a Stage 1 kit, put it on your stock car, and I have those videos to show what it'll make. Have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. I'm Brent from Brent Speed. Like I said, we're in Indiana. Have a great day.